Every single sunrise begins one of the greatest natural operations on Earth. Before the world even wakes up, billions of honeybees leave their hives, beginning an extraordinary journey that will create one of nature's most precious treasures, pure honey. Inside every hive exists a perfectly organized society. Tens of thousands of worker bees perform different jobs with incredible precision, each one playing a vital role in transforming simple flower nectar into pure, natural honey. A honeybee never stores nectar for herself. Instead, she passes it to another worker. With every transfer, natural enzymes begin breaking down complex sugars, starting the remarkable transformation from simple flower nectar into pure honey. Fresh nectar is still far too watery to become honey. Inside these tiny wax chambers, thousands of worker bees begin adding natural enzymes and carefully preparing every single drop for its remarkable transformation. To transform nectar into real honey, the colony must remove most of its water. Hundreds of worker bees fan their wings for hours, creating a constant flow of air until the nectar thickens into the rich golden honey we know today. Only when the honey reaches the perfect moisture level do the bees seal every cell with fresh beeswax. This natural wax cap is the colony's own quality guarantee, protecting the honey until it is finally ready for harvest. Weeks of tireless work have finally paid off. Only after every honey cell is perfectly sealed does the beekeeper begin harvesting the surplus, carefully taking only what the colony can spare while leaving enough honey behind for the bees themselves. Every frame is inspected with great care. Only honey that has been completely sealed by the bees is harvested, ensuring the perfect moisture level, exceptional quality, and the pure taste of nature in every single drop. The first step of harvesting begins with uncapping. A heated stainless steel knife carefully removes the protective wax seal, exposing the perfectly matured honey beneath. The honeycomb remains undamaged, allowing the bees to reuse it again next season. With the frames safely inside the extractor, centrifugal force does the hard work. The spinning motion gently removes every drop of mature honey while leaving the delicate honeycomb untouched, ready to be returned to the bees for another season. Freshly extracted honey is carefully filtered to remove tiny wax particles and natural debris while preserving its rich color and smooth texture. It then rests inside settling tanks, allowing trapped air bubbles to rise naturally before the final quality inspection. Before a single jar is filled, every batch is carefully inspected. Moisture, clarity, color, and purity are professionally tested to ensure the honey meets the highest quality standards before entering the bottling line. After passing every quality inspection, the honey enters a fully automated bottling line. Advanced precision filling technology ensures every jar receives the exact same amount of pure honey, preserving both quality and consistency, Every jar is automatically sealed to preserve freshness and protect its natural quality. Advanced inspection systems then examine each container for perfect fill levels, secure caps, and flawless packaging before it moves to the final labeling stage. With every inspection complete, each jar receives its premium label before advanced robotic systems carefully package the finished products. From here, thousands of jars are prepared for shipment, ready to deliver nature's purest honey to homes across the world. After weeks of work by millions of honeybees and a carefully controlled production process, every jar begins its final journey. From this factory, pure honey travels across cities and continents before reaching kitchens around the world.
From millions of flowers to one simple jar, every drop tells a story of teamwork, precision, and nature's extraordinary engineering. What began inside a tiny beehive has now reached the hands of people around the world.
Every jar of pure honey is the result of millions of journeys, thousands of hours of work, and the extraordinary teamwork of billions of honeybees. Behind every golden drop lies one of nature's greatest masterpieces. The journey doesn't end at the factory. Every day, thousands of carefully packaged honey jars leave automated warehouses, beginning a global journey to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes across the world. From a single beehive to global markets, the journey continues. Carefully protected throughout transport, every shipment carries the hard work of billions of honeybees across oceans, connecting nature's finest product with people around the world. After crossing the ocean, every shipment arrives at an international gateway where advanced logistics systems carefully unload, inspect, and prepare the honey for distribution into new markets around the world. Once approved, the honey enters a highly automated distribution network. Intelligent logistics systems sort, store, and organize thousands of shipments every day, ensuring every jar reaches retailers quickly, safely, and in perfect condition. The final delivery is the shortest part of the journey, but one of the most important. After traveling through farms, factories, laboratories, ports, and distribution centers, every jar is finally ready to reach the people it was made for.
For most people, choosing a jar of honey takes only a few seconds. But behind that simple decision lies an incredible journey, from billions of hardworking bees and modern food processing to one perfectly crafted jar ready for your table.
Not every jar labeled as honey is exactly the same. Pure honey retains its natural character, while lower quality products may be blended or heavily processed. Modern laboratories use advanced testing to verify purity, quality, and authenticity before products reach consumers. Not all honey is identical. The flowers visited by bees determine each honey's unique color, flavor, aroma, and texture. From delicate acacia honey to rich forest and manuka honey, every variety reflects the landscape where it was created. Every flower leaves its signature inside the honey. That's why color, texture, aroma, and flavor naturally vary from one region to another. These unique characteristics make every genuine honey harvest completely one of a kind. Pure honey is far more than a natural sweetener. It contains enzymes produced by honeybees, tiny trace of pollen, natural antioxidants, amino acids, minerals, and other compounds that make every harvest unique. Modern laboratories help verify these natural characteristics while preserving the honey's authenticity. As thousands of bees fan their wings, excess moisture slowly evaporates until the honey reaches its ideal consistency. Only then do the bees seal every cell with fresh beeswax, naturally protecting one of the world's longest-lasting foods. Unlike most natural foods, pure honey can remain stable for an incredibly long time. Its naturally low moisture content, high sugar concentration, and carefully balanced chemistry create an environment where spoilage is extremely difficult, making honey one of nature's most remarkable preserved foods. For thousands of years, honey has been valued by civilizations around the world. Today, modern science continues to study its naturally occurring enzymes, antioxidants, and other compounds, helping researchers better understand this remarkable gift of nature while confirming its authenticity and quality. From breakfast tables to kitchens around the world, pure honey has become part of everyday life. Its rich flavor, natural sweetness,
And remarkable journey from flower to jar.
remind us of the extraordinary work performed by billions of honeybees every single day. Every day, billions of honeybees leave their hives in search of nectar and pollen. Together, they pollinate countless flowers while producing one of nature's most extraordinary foods through teamwork, precision, and tireless dedication. Honeybees don't just work together, they communicate with remarkable precision. Through an extraordinary waggle dance, a single forager can guide her sisters to rich sources of nectar, allowing the entire colony to harvest food with incredible efficiency. Honeybees do far more than produce honey. As they travel from flower to flower, they pollinate countless crops that support ecosystems and food production around the world. Every flight helps sustain the natural balance that feeds millions of people every day. Inside every hive, the work never truly ends. While one generation gathers nectar, another builds wax, protects the colony, and raises the next generation. Together, millions of tiny workers keep this extraordinary cycle of life moving every single day. For every drop of honey we enjoy, another journey is already beginning. Across fields of flowers and inside every hive, billions of honeybees continue their timeless mission, working together, season after season, sustaining both their colonies and the natural world around them. Every golden drop of honey tells a story of flowers, teamwork, precision, and time. From the smallest worker bee to billions of tireless wings, this remarkable journey never truly ends. And tomorrow, with the sunrise, it all begins again.